We're here at Uberwerke AutoSalon and we have a special project coming up. So we're building the Jimny of GP Reyes, and it will be a Liberty Walk kit. So I'll be unboxing it shortly. So Liberty Walk has been known to have really wild body kits and tuning parts from Lamborghinis, Porsches, you name it. So right now they have this new kit for the Jimny, and it turns the Jimny into sort of like a mini G Wagon. So I'll be unboxing this kit shortly. So we now managed to open the box. Oh, by the way, the kit was brought to you by TireBro. So if you need any Liberty Walk parts, you can message TireBro. So it's time to open the box. What's inside? Smells like Japan. Smells like sashimi. Okay. So there you go. There's I think this is the envelope for the instructions. So let's check what's inside. Oh, it's a picture. It's a picture of how you'll paint the fenders and the front bumper. So there. Okay. Okay, so next envelope. What's this? Okay, so it's it is the details. There you go. So I don't know where we'll put that. Maybe. Oh, it's in the visor. Cool. Everything is out. So we have 4 fenders here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we have the front grille, the bumper, then we have the LED with connectors, so it's completely bolt-on. That is the rear emblem, that's the front emblem, and then we have some grills here that will be molded into that to the bumper. So yeah, and then this is the wheel. So the plastic for this one. Piano black 16s. So very nice with the Liberty Walk strip. So it's made by Ghostline, commissioned by Liberty Walk. And then yeah, so that's the whole light kit for the Jimny. And the next step will be to fit it and to paint according to the color of the Jimny. So I missed this part. There are some gaskets here, I think for the fenders. So yep.
The next day,
Thank you.
GP posted it. I'll take your picture.
Wag sa FX.
a few moments later.
I'm here at Uberwerke AutoSalon Makati, where we'll be doing a new project for GP Reyes. So it's a Porsche. No, joke lang. Suzuki Jimny. So what we'll do is we'll have a Liberty Walk kit installed to a brand new JB74 Jimny in green. So this is the kit from Japan. you have the bumper, the grill, of course the badge. You have LED lights, and then 16-inch wheels with a Liberty Walk script. Very nice. So yeah, and we'll be doing some paint over there. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit subscribe there or here. Yeah. So bye.